Hey everybody, how you doing? Drew John once again with another simple song from a simple man. Wrote this one February 6th of 2012. It's called The Birds of Summer. And it's basically a song about ideas that come to you as a creative person. And whatever you happen to be creating, whether it be a song, a painting, a book, modern art out of pieces of scrap steel, whatever it is, these things start coming to you. And if you're a creative person, who they call artist, whatever that is, I guess, it's a huge scope of things. Once this starts happening to you, from my experience, it never ends. So I think I wrote my first song with my sister back in the 60s. I might have been 6 or 7 years old. And I've been doing this for 50 years now, so I think it's going to take me to the grave. But this is a song about those ideas that to a person who creates things never stop flowing. The Birds of Summer. So much music in my head that I can hardly think. I have to get it out before it takes me to the brink. It comes to me both day and night. It's hard to write it all. It's not the pretty memories that always come to call. They wake me on a moonless night. I have to write them down. Sometimes painful melodies don't care who all's around. To steal a precious moment seems to be what makes them smile. It's hard to be a music man and happy all the while. Yes, it is. Cried alone in sorrows that never left a scar. And chords of many through my hands made love to my guitar. In peaceful dreams the silence grew louder by degree. With perfect rhyme the lyrics, they all tortured me, yes they did. Take this gift, I promise you, you'll never shed a tear. Sing a song of sixpence that'll last throughout the year. Bury me in roses underneath the tall oak tree. And let the birds of summer sing to me. There's so much music in my head that I can hardly think. I have to get it out before it drives me to the brink. It comes to me both day and night. It's hard to write it all. It's not the pretty memories that always come to call.